Here's how to fix USB-C headphones not working on your iPhone. If your iPhone is not recognizing USB-C headphones, there is no sound, or audio is still coming from the iPhone speaker, then follow these fixes one by one. First, check the physical connection. If you're using a thick phone case, remove it first because sometimes the USB-C plug doesn't go in all the way. Now look inside the USB-C charging port. If you see dust or lint, carefully clean it using a wooden toothpick or compressed air. Reconnect your USB-C headphones and check again. If they're still not recognized, let's force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, reconnect the headphones. Still not working? Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the AirPlay icon in the Now Playing section. Make sure your USB-C headphones are selected instead of the iPhone speaker or another Bluetooth device. If you still don't hear any sound, open the Settings app. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Open Headphone Safety. Scroll to the bottom and tap USB Audio Accessories. Choose Forget All Accessories. Now, unplug your headphones and plug them back in. Next, go to Settings. Open Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual. Open Headphone Accommodations. Turn this feature on for a few seconds, then turn it back off again. Reconnect your USB-C headphones and check whether your iPhone recognizes them. Finally, open Settings. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If a new iOS update is available, install it because Apple regularly fixes USB-C accessory compatibility issues. That's it. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Please like this video if it helped,